Hi everyone. Hi, this is Jevin Jain sir. This is Sandeep. So I am logging in from the office of one of our famous renowned Bhaktamar Healing Center in Bangalore, and all the credit goes to our healer, a renowned healer from India, from Bangalore. His name is Jevin Jain sir. I met him around 4 months back. 4 months? 3 months? 4 months back. And the reason I met him, all are aware, I met him for Healy. So that was the first time when I met him. And when I went to his house, today I'm sitting in his office, but 4 months back when I went to his house, that was the first time I met Sandeep. So Sandeep is sitting here, so smart, so handsome, and trust me, I am so happy today. It's like the work which we do, and this is so fulfilling today when I see Sandeep sitting with me, talking about healing, talking about reaching out to people and helping them in the healing space. And that's what is the sole purpose which he feels today his purpose is. 4 months back, this was not the state at all. 4 months back when I met him, he was very, very down with his health issues. And today, after 4 months, I can't even recognize him, because 4 months back he was not ready to talk to me. Today when I ask him that, do you remember that I have met you? It was like 4 times, 5 times I went to his house, but he was not ready to meet me also. He was not ready to meet anybody from outside. He was going through a very bad state of his mental state. And today, if you talk to him, you will not recognize that he is the same person. I want you to listen from his mouth, his story, his sharing, how this last 3 months has been and how he is feeling today within the healing space. Before that, just I want Jevin Jain sir to talk. बताइए आप आपका healing journey, and then Sandeep will talk.
लीना जी आई थी मेरे पास और हम लोग आपस में मिले थे, और बस यहीं से हीलिंग की जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई थी। अरे लीना जी बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल है हीलिंग के बारे में, और अभी तो वीपी हैं भी है, छोटी मोटी पोस्ट नहीं है इनकी। ये जो चाहे कर सकती है, करा सकती है। शी इज सो मच पावरफुल। अगर आपको कहते हैं कि आसमान में उड़ाएंगी तो उड़ा देंगी। ठीक है, वेरी गुड। शी इज वेरी केयरिंग, very helpful, and always laughing.
Thank you, Jevin sir. Thank you so much. I want Sandeep you to take the maximum time and really talk your heart out.
Hello everyone. I'm Sandeep, Jevin Jain's son, and I am here with Dad and Leena. So I was introduced to Leena through my dad. As Leena was saying about my condition, 3 months back, I had like severe anxiety. As you have a panic attack, I had an anxiety attack. So it was difficult for me to get up from the bed. It was long sleep, that oversleeping. I used to literally sleep the whole day and the whole night. And I have been initially my dad gave me treatment with Healy about 3 months back. So he ran the Gold Cycle, all Healy programs, and from then on there has been a lot of improvement. Earlier my condition was like, if anybody other than my family would try to talk to me, I used to just reject them. Please, not even like this. I literally used to push them away. But that's not the condition. You can see how I'm talking right now. Earlier I was not able to even speak properly. About 3 months back. So that was the condition there. So I would say this is a transitionary period for me. The changes are still happening, because you can see it's here. So I'm right now it's on and it's working on me. Healy has really helped me a lot. As Leena always says and Dad says, that you need to be in a receiving mode, a gratitude mode. It's like win-win situation. Shake hands. When you have the shake hand, it works out better. You don't have the shake hand, it's like this, but it's going to take more time, right? So when you have this, it works faster, and so it will work out faster. You'll have better results. If you have a mindset that this is some device and someone is trying to, someone is just trying to fake me about this device, trying to sell this device. No, Healy is a device which is here to help you. In fact, you knowing about Healy itself is a gift in itself. So that is what I would say. Yeah, Healy, as Lena says, it is going to open new doors, and I'm like, okay, this is law of secret kind of thing, quote. So they are using the same concept to market out Healy. That is what my belief was earlier. But after having this effect on myself, it has been, I would say, a complete paradigm shift in my trust from a non-believer. Forget non-believer, I never used to, as I said, what my condition was. So I was treated through Healy by my dad, and you can see how I am today. There's a complete changeover by using Healy. So I would say, please welcome Healy into your life. Help Healy heal you, your loved ones, your family, people that you care for, and even other people that you want to help out. Of course, I do have my own interest in helping out people. That is, something, as Lena says, what is the purpose of your life? So my life purpose is nothing but to help out people. It's not that I have not realized this purpose before. I have, but now it was somewhere subdued in the back of my mind. Using Healy, the first time when you use Healy, I'm sure Lena would have told you about this. It detoxifies your body. It removes the garbage inside out of you. It cleanses things. So when it is removing the old and the unnatural, unnatural or harmful elements out of your body, your old memory starts to rewind. So that is what happened with me. And I wake up one day and my dream was to help out people. Where did I forget? And this was for years. It's just gone by in my daily life, in my busy, as everyone is busy in their life. So it's just gone by doing my job, working, come back, that kind of daily schedule. But with this now, I have, again come back to the path that the purpose of my life, that I want to help people. So I just want to tell everyone over here, please welcome Healy into your life and see the wonders that will happen, how it will transform you, how it is going to change you, and the results that it will bring out. Tomorrow there would be a video where you would be talking, not me. So thank you guys and all the best. Yes, thank you.
Oh my God.
Thanks to Dad and thanks to Lena, ma'am.
I just love him. I mean, I just can't believe somebody has to pinch me to tell me he's the same Sandeep whom I met 4 months back. I just love you, Sandeep. Thank you so much for sharing your heart out.
Thank you to Lena, and thanks to Healy.
Thank you, Jevin sir, to be part of the Healy family. Thank you. Bye-bye.